Hello folks, Sid Miramontes here with Miramontes Capital's weekly market update. This week in the news is the European Central Bank meeting actually today about interest rates, and chances are from most analysts that they're going to lower the discount rate by 10 basis points or 0.1%. The lower that interest rate goes, even into negative territory, what that means is the central bank is trying to get banks to borrow money from them so they can lend it to the Europeans out there and of course create commerce and spur business and growth. We also have in the news of today is Amazon reporting that they're purchasing about 20 Boeing jets, 767s from Boeing to continue to spur their business of the Prime piece of their business called Prime, where they deliver their products and services much quicker. Since it's doing so well, they're making big investments in that piece. This week's question is from Thomas over at Edison International. His question is, do I buy or rent at retirement time? Because I just sold my home. Well, it really depends on your particular situation. We can run all the estimates for you in either way, but one example, if we purchase a home, let's say, and you're able to get the write-off, which most people like. Well, let's say, for example, that you're in a 15% tax bracket and you have interest payments of $1,000 at a particular year. Well, you're really able to write off 15% of that $1,000 or $150, which you're really getting back in payment back from your tax deduction. Well, that may not be as great as you may have expected. The big benefit that you have there is that you are able to keep your payment at one payment for the rest of your life, basically. And so that's where you have control, because if you rent, then what happens is, of course, we don't have to put out the $100,000 or $200,000 for a down payment or a purchase of a home. But what happens is we don't also have control of what that rent payment is going to be. And of course, also, obviously, you're not building any equity in that rental unit either. So those are two things we have to think about, whether, hey, it's more beneficial to have a smaller tax deduction and have control of the rent, or not have to worry about that and have the assets liquid because you may want to use those assets for something else. So with that and other questions, folks, we look forward to answering any other questions or concerns you have. Please follow us on Facebook now and take a look at our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media, folks. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much.